Adding. Addition of 3 1- and 2-digit numbers. When adding several numbers, we look for the easiest combinations. 13 plus 28 plus 37. We can add in any order with the commutative law. Are there any easy combinations? We can see that 3 and 7 are a number bond. 13 plus 37, we'll add those first. Take the 7 from the 37 and add that to 13 to make 20. We're left with 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30 equals 50. So now we just have to add on the other 28. 50 plus 28. 50 plus 20 equals 70, and then add the ones, 8. So the answer is 78. When adding larger numbers, we still use number bonds. 54 plus 8 plus 7. We can add in small steps because there are no easy combinations here. Start with the biggest number and then add to it. 54 plus 8. We'll take 6 from the 8 to make 54 to the next 10 or 60. We have 60 plus the 2 that are left. 60 plus 2 is 62. Now we can add on the last 7. 62 plus 7 equals 69. Or we could use our columns. 4 plus 8 plus 7 in the ones column first. We'll add 4 plus 8 first. Take 6 from the 8 to make it a 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. And then add the last 7. 12 plus 7 is 19. We write the ones and carry the 10 forward. Then 5 plus the 1 carried forward is 6. Our answer is 69. Read the question carefully to understand what you need to do. A farm has 16 pigs, 19 sheep, 4 ducks and 5 cats. How many animals are there without the ducks? What's the question asking you to do? Add the pigs, 16, the sheep, 19 and the cats, 5. We don't need to add the ducks. 16 plus 9 plus 5. We start with the biggest and then add to it. Let's start with 19 plus 5. We take 1 from the 5 and add it to the 19 to make the next 10 or 20. So we have 20 plus 4 or 24. Now we need to add the 16 plus the 24. 6 and 4 are number bonds. 16 is the same as 10 plus 6 and 24 is 4 plus 20. 6 plus 4 is 10, so we have 10 plus 10 plus 20, which equals 40. We have a total of 40. Some questions might include units. Jack has 13 kilograms of potatoes, Mary has 12 kilograms and Tom has 8 kilograms. How many kilograms of potatoes do they have altogether? What's the question asking you to do? Add all the potatoes, 13 kilograms plus 12 kilograms plus 8 kilograms. We just add the numbers as normal and remember to include the right units in our answer. Are there any easy combinations? We can see that 2 and 8 are number bonds, so we'll add those two together first. 12 plus 8 equals 20. Now we need to add the 20 plus the 13. 20 plus 10 is 30. 3, so it's 33. Don't forget the units, it's 33 kilograms. Some questions give information in pictures. Kath mixes the milk, cheese and butter for her recipe. What's the total weight of the mixed ingredients? What's the question asking you to do? Find the weight of the milk, 38 grams. Find the weight of the cheese, 9 grams. And find the weight of the butter, 19 grams. And then add them all together. 38 plus 9 plus 19. We can add them in our columns. We'll do 8 plus 9 first. Take 1 from the 8 and add it to the 9 to make 10. We're left with 17. Now we want to add the 9. Take 3 from the 9 to add to 17 and make 20. 20 plus 6. 26, we write the 1s, 6, and carry the 2 tens. Then 3 plus 1 plus the 2 carried forward is 6. So we have a total of 66. Don't forget the units, it's 66 grams. Remember, when adding several numbers, we look for the easiest combinations. When adding larger numbers, we still use number bonds. We can add in small steps or we can use our columns. Read the question carefully to understand what it's asking you to do